Hey, party people, it is Cam and Ginger.
What's up?
And we are watching Top 3 Police Chase Escapes. Cops vs. Bikers, 190 miles per hour escape, episode 2, and
Attack
reacting.
of the Clones.
Yes. Well, let's see what happens.
Order 66.
All right, we got some good music at least. That's some good, decent
It's
mixing
kind of cool.
start.
Oh, dabbing. X-ray bikes. All right. MattXMoto.
MattXMoto.
Definitely after me, so we gotta hurry this shit up.
Yeah, hurry this shit up, Matt.
Got drugs.
Oh, I
got
hear-
drugs to
yo.
move.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
Matt's got a pound of crystal meth, and he is not getting caught today.
Just snort it all down, Matt. Why are the cops chasing you?
The ghosts are, even if the cops are.
Okay. Nope, fence. That won't work. I like where your head's at. Going where they can't. They sound close, buddy.
Oh, Matty. Time to gun it, buddy.
They sound so close.
Yeah, there's the fear.
What's up there?
There's the fear, Matty.
Just another vehicle, not a cop. Okay. Where are we going? Gonna get off road here? We got.
Shit.
Oh shit!
Oh, shit,
is
he knows.
right. Oh, they're trying to pit maneuver him, maybe.
And
Didn't work.
He got through, and now they're coming after him.
Yeah, that's close.
Oh,
Close
Matt.
behind.
Oh, Matt. That meth ain't gonna
Time
sell
to-
itself, and your
time-
drug dealer ain't taking no for an answer.
Yeah. Unlike Red Bull, meth does not give you wings. It may give you a pitchfork, but
It usually just gives you rotted teeth.
yeah, destroys lives and dreams. But can Matt escape with what we are presuming to be meth?
I mean, it looks like the right neighborhood for meth, you know?
That doesn't look like Ottumwa at all. There's hardly any potholes. If you're from Ottumwa, I'm not sorry. I'm just not. Not one tiny bit.
You were known for it around the world
Yeah.
for like 5 years. That's on you.
If you want to have better roads, you need to vote for Gabe Stofa, the one true mayor of Ottumwa.
Only true mayor of
The
Ottumwa.
one true mayor.
Ottumwa and him are soulmates, yes.
Matt got away.
Good job, Matty. A proper Ottumwan in the end. Escaped.
Real Ottumwans get away. All right, what's going on? This
And lived to meth around another day.
kind of a metropolitan environment.
Oh, this person just wants
Scooting
to do 90 miles an hour. They're doing 90 right about now.
There's a lot of vehicles that don't have their lights on here.
Ah, so it's the city.
Yeah, okay. It's pretty bright in there.
No, it's a city thing, man. You get to the country, they have their lights on because there's no fucking lights anywhere else.
Right.
It's definitely a city thing when you just don't have your lights on because, oh my god, there's lights everywhere.
I figured it was a drunk thing.
Maybe. But I've seen country people hammered and
How
they
you
still
supposed
put
to
their
look down?
lights
How you
on.
supposed to look down at your gauges and shit? Oh, it's black. There's nothing there. What do I care?
Right?
Oh shit! Turn them on. Oh, never mind. It's all blurry. Who cares? What's going on? Where are we going? We're cutting across. That's all right.
We're
That's the spot.
cutting. We're cutting it. God damn, you're trying to...
Squeezing through.
Why are you trying to lane split this?
Squeezing through?
Oh, dude.
That's a
this...
sketcher. That's
yeah,
a real
that's how
sketcher.
you fucking die. Oh, this
Ooh.
person cut you off, too. They
Yeah,
know where you at.
yeah.
They know what the fuck you're up to.
Yeah. Well, what's that turning signal for? Everybody, watch out. Where are we going?
Oh my god. The risk level on this. So dumb.
Is this like a traffic backup? Are you just gonna weave through?
This is like trying to get out of a Iowa Hawkeye tailgate.
Oh man,
really.
moving into the oncoming. We're crossing the lines. Oh man, I don't care where you're from. That shit is not legal.
Not legal and super dumb.
Yeah, look at that. There's the police.
Oh,
We're in
Going
Florida.
for it.
All right, we're in Florida.
Florida it is.
Yep.
All right.
We're clearly in Florida.
We're in traffic and we're gonna try and outrun the cops in traffic. That is.
Don't let them know where you're going with that turning signal. Zip, zip, zip. I mean, this is a really good getaway, actually.
Yeah, I mean, how the fuck is a cop
is
gonna follow this?
Bold.
If you're willing to be this bold, you might pull it off. Cause like, damn.
But for legal purposes, you probably shouldn't.
Yeah, never do. Never do.
Never do any of the shit we're talking about. It's just for entertainment value. Disclaimer. Never do bad shit that's stupid. That's really hilarious and funny. Don't do it ever at all. Not once. Not a single time. Don't even do what this shit is. Anyway, looks like guy's getting away. Looks like Florida man's gonna make it.
He might. He absolutely might.
Yep. Unless those police have radios and foresight.
No, he got out.
Oh.
Whatever that language is, I think it means he escaped.
No, I think that was Czech.
Czech?
That's like the Florida of Europe.
It is, actually.
And before anybody wants to get upset with me, I was there. I was there. For a few days. And you wouldn't believe the shit I saw during those days. All right, what do we got
We'll go back
on?
someday. We'll go back someday.
Oh, yeah, yep, okay. We still got this Stolshnaya shit going on. I mean, it could be Russian. I don't really know.
Czech or Russian.
Right?
Maybe Ukrainian. You
I
never
don't know. I can't pull it together.
Fucking Eastern
When
Europe.
I was in Czech, I could speak German then, and there was, it's like my second language. There's the bus driver's second language, and...
Dude, Eastern Europe, we're covered.
Right.
Wherever the Berlin Wall fell to the east of that.
The point is, my buddy was trying to get pornos, and I helped him score them, and everyone was happy, especially that dude. It's hilarious.
How can you not be happy with Eastern European porn?
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't actually see any of it. For real. It was just too funny. Too funny to help other people get it.
Eastern Europe.
When I was in Eastern Europe, I was 17. Already a man! Homeboy was like 15 or some shit, though.
Just going for it.
What is going on here?
I mean, this guy is running hard.
It's a good run.
Yeah.
It's a good run. Definitely don't do it. Disclaimer, don't do it. But I'm impressed.
But look at the technique. He's lane splitting beautifully, keeping the cops behind him.
Yeah, I'm impressed. Straight up. Straight up. Whoever this is, they ride better than me. I couldn't do this shit. You know, we watched some of those earlier videos where people are just eating shit and going down. Maybe this is the final form you're trying to get to. Where
Like
you can
failing, mostly.
Yeah, just pull this shit off and get it. Like, this is
Like 99% die attempting
bold.
to become this.
Yeah, this is bold. This is bold. Definitely don't do it. Disclaimer, don't do it. Impressive, though.
Ethic Sport, if you're watching,
Impressive.
it's all a joke.
Satire, satire, satire. Joking the whole time.
And if not, publicly admonish us.
It's,
I'll drag you.
look, we're not in a fishing boat on Spirit Lake. They'll never see us. We're not in a golf course somewhere. They'll never find us.
We're on the dark, dark interwebs
On the dark side.
of YouTube.
It gets a lot darker, my man. I like this camera shot.
That's a beautiful shot.
Yeah.
I keep waiting for it to go full sideways, though.
You know those movies where there's somebody riding on the back of one of these with like a machine gun or something and they just
Yup.
shoot everybody up?
Yeah, just getting after it.
Yeah, this is that view.
This is the John Wick view.
John Wick is a really good shot. It's hard to focus on anything here.
Well, they do a better job of it.
Oh, we got the Han Solo dice.
Yeah. Never tell me
What
the odds.
kind of bike is that? There's all kinds of shit going on here.
That is another level of crotch rocket.
Am I seeing 200 something? Is that this must be kilometers per hour?
It's kilometers. It's definitely not America. And also,
Kilometers. What is that little thing of fluid? This is so
you mean the little dumpster of cum he's got right there?
exactly.
I mean, man, he's just really trying to impregnate his wife. We can't judge.
Trying to impregnate the road.
Well, he's got it on there, and he knows he's got so many minutes, man. This is an action movie.
What's that movie with Jason Statham where like if his heart rate comes down, he dies? Crank.
Crank.
This
is the cum version of Crank.
right. this
Gotta make it to your wife in time.
this is
Gotta baste that turkey.
wow. I mean, look at all these other vehicles just way behind.
This
Way
dude
behind.
is ripping. This dude is ripping.
How much faster?
Holy shit.
How much faster than everyone else is this bike going?
Substantial.
It's slowing down a little bit there, but it's
No, just his
whoa.
lane split. Just the lane split,
Yeah,
man.
whoa.
He's not fucking around. He's going after it.
Just leaving everybody in the dust. Doesn't matter who they are.
Mm-hmm.
Way behind. Where's this going, though? I mean, getting away with it. All right. Where are we going? Is the exit down here? It was all for some Taco Bell.
The toll. He's got to pay the troll toll.
You gonna slow down for that toll booth?
It's gotta be.
Okay, white car, white car. They got the little arrow telling us to look for that white car back there. What's going on? Got someone else coming up behind him?
Gotta wait for that. All right.
There's
I get it. He's
little pause.
he's not trying to hit it Lancelot style right through. Why was he hitting it though now?
Where is this though? The mountains, the toll booths?
I can't even tell.
All right, I mean, we're looking at kilometers per hour, so this is
Not America.
presumably Europe.
Definitely not America.
Definitely not America. Unless it's maybe South America.
No, nobody in
Not
America.
America.
Nobody in America will fucking do this. You know why? Because we will do anything not to use the meter system. The metric system,
Do they have
we won't fucking...
tollways in like Brazil though? Is this maybe in Brazil or something?
Grass isn't right. Grass isn't right.
I don't know anything about Brazilian grass.
No, I mean, look at the grass, look at the trees.
Oh yeah, dude, you're right, because in Brazil there is no grass.
There's
It's
jungle.
all Brazilian.
Right, like this is not jungle.
Right, if this was Brazil, there'd be no grass at all. It would just be like shaved.
This is like some Eastern European and or Scottish or Scandinavian shit.
It's pretty wide range. It's a really wide range.
Okay,
Fuck it, while we're at
okay.
it might be China. Who cares? Mongolia.
Nah, it's not China. Grass ain't right.
Grass ain't right.
It ain't rice. Rockets. In flight.
You get into the continental China, you never know. Although
I'm saying
continental China doesn't have roads like this.
This looks like the border of Colorado and Utah.
It kind of does. It kind of does, but that kilometers per hour shit, you know?
Oh, I mean, it's definitely not that. I'm just saying find the European equivalent, and that's
right,
what this
right.
is.
It's kind of.
This is first world, 100%. You
Yep,
have
yep,
well-maintained roads.
Yep. Incredibly well-maintained roads. Kind of embarrassing the shit out of us.
Jesus.
Yeah, we should know right away. Yeah, it's not the United States. The road has been looking way too good for way too long.
Yeah.
Or at least not anywhere that it freezes and thaws and blows up and freezes and thaws. Ripping, ripping, ripping. Where is this going? I mean, it's impressive that you're going past everybody. You're going real fast. But you gotta... There's gotta be a bam, right? There's gotta be a punchline. Where's this going? Where's it going, my man?
My guess, nowhere. My guess he just does this.
Going off
for,
on the rails of the crazy train.
Yeah, just does this for a minute. We see some beautiful scenery, and that's that.
Okay, we got some rocky-ish. Those aren't really mountains, like bluffs.
I mean, this is definitely not a new edition of GoPro or iPhone because there's way too much shake.
No.
Way too much shake on this.
No, at this point I'm just trying to figure out where it is, because I don't think this video is going to be anything but more of this.
Yeah, I'm a little disappointed.
Which is, you watch a movie that's got like too many car chase scenes, please just pull into a Taco Bell. Le Taco Bell.
And funny. And funny. That's all I ask.
Yeah.
And funny.
Have a conclusion to this.
Have an arc to this story that makes me feel like it was worth the
Drop
watch.
your fucking bike. Drop it. Like an idiot.
Dismount and piss in the forest. I don't care. Do
Piss
some
yourself.
ratchet shit. Yeah, do something ratchet, man.
Oh, going fast again. Wow, dude, I haven't seen that yet. Zip, 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 zip.
But the worst part is, if this is technically one of the cop chases, where the fuck are the cops? I haven't seen them in...
No, they won a long time ago if there was
Right.
a cop ever. No, this is like a wild, wild ass joy. Look how fast that is. That's like speeders in Return of the Jedi. It's
This is Tatooine.
no, like Endor.
Yeah,
Speaking of Endor, it's over.
and there's no conclusion.
Yeah, no
no conclusion
conclusion.
at
Just
all.
trails off.
I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give it like the last 5 seconds to see. Okay, never mind.
No. It's just like one of those songs where they, like back in the day, they didn't know how to end the song, and they just, I don't know, just play the hook 7 times, and then at the end, just turn the volume down.
Yeah.
And who cares? All the songs are 6 minutes long.
Anyway. It's Cam and Ginger with Biker Lawyers. Like and subscribe because we have not said that on the other videos.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Oops.
And
Oops.
put your social security number in it, and
Yeah, definitely that. And maybe like
email address of everyone you know.
your PIN number, your credit card number. You know,
Yeah.
put whatever you want in.
Your horoscope.
Ooh, I want to know that. Tell
yeah.
me what your horoscope sign is so I can make fun of you.
Exactly. I'm a Libra. What's up?
I'm a Sagittarius.
You know, Libra. Of
So
course, I'm a lawyer. So Libra.
Whatever I do, it's so Sagittarius.
So Libra.
Anyway.
Peace.
Stay classy.